Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I am Mizanur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of Islam Studies of National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift, Bonasri, Dhaka. Today I would like to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class Junior 1. Our today's topic is answering question number 5. Today's topic is answering question number 5, term annual, lecture number 10 and HW number 9. Okay, dear students, we have already finished in the question number 1, 2, 3, 4. Question number 1 was about jazm, and question number 2 was about tashdid, and question number 3 was about 10 letters with jazm, and question number 4 we have finished about 10 letters with tashdid. And today our question is, what is wajib gunna? This question is very important. What is wajib gunna? Answer: when tashdid is used with noon and mim. We know that there are 29 Arabic letters, alif to ya. From them, noon and mim is specific letter. When tashdid is used with this noon and mim, the pronunciation of this noon and mim will be done buzzing sound. Is called wajib gunna. Example: anna, amma. Example: anna and amma. Okay, I repeat again. Answering question number 5. What is wajib gunna? Answer: when tashdid is used with noon and mim, the pronunciation of this noon and mim will be done buzzing sound. Is called wajib gunna. Example: anna, alif nun jabar an, nun jabar na. Anna, alif mim jabar am, mim jabar ma. Amma. Okay, dear students, now I will give HW. Today's HW is, what is wajib gunna? It means today's question and answer. Write question number 5 and answer right here to here. This is your HW. Okay, dear students, you have to do your HW very carefully and completely, and submit your HW on every Sunday and collect your HW next Sunday from 8 am to 4 pm by your guardians or any other persons. Okay, dear students, you have to submit your HW because HW is very important for you, and for every HW you get 2 marks, and total marks of your HW for 20 marks. SBA marks and city marks will be given according to your performance of HW. So you have to do your HW carefully and submit your HW regularly. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understood this topic clearly. Keep practicing at home, abide by parents, and stay well. See you again very soon, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.